Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic: how to reduce stress through exercise. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine to help you manage stress and anxiety. Stress is a common problem that affects many of us, and it can have a negative impact on our physical and mental health. However, exercise is a great way to combat stress and improve your overall well-being. Studies have shown that physical activity can release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that can help reduce stress levels. One of the best exercises to reduce stress is yoga. This ancient practice combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to help calm the mind and relax the body. Another effective exercise is running. This cardio workout not only strengthens the heart and lungs but also releases stress and tension. Finally, swimming is another excellent way to reduce stress. This low-impact exercise provides a full-body workout while also helping to ease anxiety and tension. Exercise is a powerful tool that can help you manage stress and improve your overall health. Whether you prefer yoga, running, swimming, or any other type of physical activity, incorporating exercise into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your life. So, what are you waiting for? Get up, get moving, and start reducing your stress levels today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips and tricks.